Hi, I am JC James Okinakos and I'm going to share what I have learned from the Unit 6. So in this unit, I've learned so much about the world of plants. Akala ko dati simple lang ang mga halaman. Pero napag-alaman ko na sila pala ang isa sa mga pinakamahalagang bagay sa mundo. Like they gave us oxygen, food, materials we use every day. I also learned that the plant kingdom is divided into two main groups. The first one is the Talophyta. Ito yung mga simple na plants like algae na walang roots, walang tunay na roots or stems. And the second one is Ambrophyta. Ito naman yung mga land plants tulad ng mosses, ferns, conifers, and flowering plants. Nalaman ko rin na ang iba't ibang parte ng halaman at ang kanika nilang function. Yung roots nag-absorb ng waters and minerals. And the stems carries the food and waters. The leaves, yun yung gumagawa ng pagkain through photosynthesis, and at ang flowers naman ay tumutulong sa reproduction ng mga plants and fruits. Ang pinaka nakakabilib sa lahat ay kung paano sila dumadami at kumakalat. Kumakalat sila through pollination, fertilization, and seed dispersal with the help of wind, water, and even animals. After this unit, mas na-appreciate ko talaga ang mga halaman. Like they may not move or talk, pero sila ang buhay ng kalikasan. Taking care of plants means taking care of our planet. Yun lang po. Thank you.